Hey guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this video I'll show you how to unarchive a workflow in n8n AI automation. First, open your n8n dashboard and click on Overview in the left menu, then go to Workflows. Guys, note that you need to have more than one workflow in your account. If you only have one workflow and it's archived, the unarchive option might not show up, so create a second workflow if needed. Then next, you have to click on the filter icon in the top right corner. From the drop down, enable show archive workflows. You'll now see a list of your archive workflows along with your active ones. To unarchive, click the three dots next to the archive workflow, then select unarchive, and that's it guys. Your workflow will be restored and ready to use again. If you found this guide helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll really appreciate it, and it's going to help me a lot with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you so much for watching.